Snakes, for some, a source of fear. For others, a symbol of fascination. There are over 3,000 species of snakes in the world, but what makes them so unique? Snakes don't have ears, but they can sense vibrations around them. They don't have eyelids, so their eyes never close. And when they flick their tongues in and out, they're actually tasting the air to detect scents. The anaconda is a giant snake that can reach up to 250 kilograms. The Inland Taipan, on the other hand, is the most venomous snake on Earth. A single bite carries enough venom to kill 100 people. But remember, most snakes are completely harmless and play a vital role in balancing ecosystems. Some snakes kill their prey by constriction, while others rely on venom. All snakes shed their skin regularly as part of their growth process. And here's a surprise: in Southeast Asia, flying snakes flatten their bodies and glide from tree to tree. They may look frightening, but snakes are actually silent guardians of nature. So, what do you think? Are snakes fascinating or terrifying? Let us know in the comments.